Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use a WhatsApp account on two devices simultaneously. Suppose you have bought a new device and you want to use your existing account that is already running on your primary device on your new device too. So how to do it? I will show you tutorial how to do it. So on the screen there are two devices. First one is my new device, and the second one that is blank is my existing and primary device on which WhatsApp is already being used. So to connect the primary account device and all the data and chats to the new phone, we have to firstly install the WhatsApp on my new phone. So to install, click on Play Store. Here look for WhatsApp application. Type in search bar and click. Now install this application on your new phone. It is being downloaded. So it is now being installed. It has been installed successfully. Click on open button to open this application on your new phone. Here select the language of your own choice. I am selecting English. Click on arrow button. For next, click on agreement button. Here you have an option of entering your phone number to register your account with same or new phone, new existing account. So I want to link my existing device. I will click on three dots and now click on link devices button. It will show me a barcode. So now go to my primary device. Here go to setting and click for link the devices and scan for the new device barcode to link existing account of my primary device to the new device. So let's do it. I have scanning it. It has been successfully scanned. Now my existing primary WhatsApp account is now being cloned on my new device along with chats and data. You can see guys. So here we are on my new device. I have successfully cloned my existing account of primary device successfully, and all the chats and data is now available. I can scroll it. So go to setting to confirm the account. You can see I am using the same account on both devices, same account number with same DP. You can confirm it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching guys.